Number 6, personal year. Affairs of the home will be uppermost in your mind this year. If you are married, so much the better, as you will be very content in that relationship. If single, you will dwell on the thought of having a home, mate, and children. Therefore, your desires may very well be fulfilled this year. Be loving, charming, and affectionate with all those you care about, friends as well as family or marital partners. You will draw closer than ever before to these people and derive great satisfaction from the return of their affection, especially from someone particularly close to you. 6 is the number of domesticity, and you will react to this vibration by improving your environment, wherever it might be. If you are working, you should take the time to brighten up your place of business. If the surroundings are not harmonious, you will be most uncomfortable, so follow your urges as they arise. Personalize these surroundings in whatever way you can, perhaps with fresh flowers, family photos, or something else you treasure. It will give you a warm feeling of belonging that is most conducive to getting things done. A need for permanence may encourage you to buy a home or plot of ground to build on when you can afford it. It will certainly inspire you to redecorate if you cannot move. Your office, too, comes for a bit of refurbishing. As a vibration of harmony, 6 includes culture and beauty, beautiful music, art, or other forms of expression that put you at ease and make you happy now. It is a successful cycle for anyone delving into these pastimes or trades. Present your work to those who can help you, and they will be favorably impressed. If you have always wanted to paint, sing, act, or play a musical instrument just for your own pleasure, now is the time to indulge yourself. Take lessons if you can, or dabble at it in your spare time. It will be very relaxing. Practicality will color your affairs now, and your decisions will be intelligent ones. All humanity will be a prime target for your thoughts and good deeds. You will be a soft touch for all in need and provide a comforting shoulder to those who come to you with problems. Wise counsel will be your stock in trade in these cases, and it will make you very happy to be even the slightest bit of help to them. Fortunately, you will not be plagued with business or financial problems because the 6th vibration is one of protection and benevolence, and all your needs will automatically be taken care of. Make your usual effort, and all will be well and comfortable, if not overindulgent.